my gosh. I think I sweat off all of my makeup. I love grease. Sinus infection, not doing too well. I don't know if this is juice. It's a new day, and I kind of feel ick. I got some post-nasal drip, irritated my throat, so I really slept in today till 12. I thought I was going to be so productive here. I feel like this always happens. The moment that I'm like, okay, I'm going to get to it, something happens. And in this case, it's sick. And I thought I was going to be able to edit yesterday at the airport, and that did not happen because there were basically no outlets, and there was a line for them. It was just chaotic. I'm going to go eat for the first time today. I'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow and just like be working. But I think later tonight, just focus on responding to all my clients and getting everybody booked for the week before I head to the island. Yeah! Ooh, and I really want to go look for this one swimsuit shop because I got a swimsuit last time I was here and I love it and I wear it all the time and I'm going to wear it out. I want to see if they have more cute styles so I can wear something to the island.
My Airbnb that I'll link in the description was only a few minutes away from a lot of restaurants, so I was able to save a lot of money by walking to dinner or lunches. It was also really close to a market, which made grocery shopping easy. I'm actually by the Parthenon, but I'm not going to go do that again because I already seen that. Nice place to spend your time. I found this cat. There's so many animals that are around. They actually feed them. Look at how cute this street is. I ordered cacio e pepe with an Aperol spritz, and I was just living the best life. This is one of my favorite pastas. It's basically just pasta and cheese and pepper, but I love it. I really feel like you can't go wrong with this.
Sinus infection, not doing too well. Sinus infection, not doing too well. Just have head pressure and a runny nose. Not a great time. But I got through filming an episode. I'm going to try to edit that tonight, get it posted, have a client appointment. But until then, have a little break. So I'm going to go get a bite to eat. Haven't eaten today. Well, I had a protein bar. And then I'm going to stop by a market and get some snacks. Snacks are one of the many things that make me happy. Yay, food! I got chicken souvlaki pita wrap with fries. A small little wine. Only 5.50 euros. Incredible. I love Greece. And I love Greek food. Stopped into a market, needed some toothpaste, got that. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I need to cook something. See, rice, pasta, easy stuff. Gotta figure it out. I don't know what I want. Woohoo! Sinuses, doing so much better today. No more congestion, I just sound funny, and my nose is completely draining. That's the downside, so I just have a runny nose. I started recapping, I started the script for Mr. Supranational today. I slept in today because I stayed up till 3 a.m. making sure that I got my other episode out. And then I wanted to go out, but then I found out it's 97 degrees outside. And I don't want to see what it is now, but I'm gonna go anyways, because if I don't go, then I just won't go out. So I saw this place on Pinterest that looked really, really cute. Little Cook, I think. If you've ever been, comment below, let me know. I'm gonna try to go find it. I'm gonna see if I can make it that far. Not that I couldn't, but with the heat, here's what I'm wearing with my sneakers. I'm gonna just bring my backpack in case I wanna take a photo somewhere. So I'll bring my tripod. Yay. I stopped for a moment on my walk to catch my breath. It's quite hot today. The place that I'm going walks me right past the Parthenon. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from a distance today because I'm not going to go back. If you want to see the other time I went, you can check out this other vlog. I'll link it. As you can see, they're doing a new build over there. A little new construction going on. Obviously they do that to preserve it because so many people go to visit. But this is such a nice little spot beside it. So this is this pathway that you can walk around Acropolis, and it's really pretty. I'll show you. Look at that. There's a local artist. This is a really nice walk to get out. Also, I think it would be even nicer if it were maybe just even in the 80s. Even the 80s would be a great temperature in comparison to what I'm experiencing right now. I can see it already. We are just about there. It looks so cute. The walk, honestly, not bad, other than that one uphill part in the sun. It's the only tough part, but this was not bad. I'll show you it.
Little Cook Restaurant is in a small alleyway, which means you would miss it if you weren't looking for it. It's a very cute restaurant. The menu is extensive. It's packed with so many desserts and fun, cute drinks. This is the type of place that you go for the experience if you're in the mood for something sweet and want to get some really cute Instagram photos. They change their decor for every season, so when you visit Greece, it might not look like it did when I visited.
I think the best part of solo travel is getting to go anywhere you want to go and not having to take into consideration if the person you're traveling with wants to go to. I wanted to go here today and I'm here and I'm so glad. It is just so cute. I think I sweat off all of my makeup. This is lovely. I asked the waitress what to get and she recommended Alice's dress. This is going to be a lot of sugar. I stuck with a lot. I don't know what's in it. It looks like chocolate inside. This is so good. Wow. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
After scraping off a lot of the frosting, I did in fact eat the entire thing, and I wish I would have got a clip of it, but since I don't have it, I'm going to show you how cute the bathroom is.
Good morning, friends! It's a new day in Greece, and I really don't ever want to leave, but I just confirmed to host for Fashion Week, so I will have to go to the United States at some point. I'm sad. I just don't want to go anywhere. I'm about to film 2 new episodes for my channel. I have another client to meet with tonight. Yeah, that's basically been my day today. Coaching, filming, going out just a little bit. I really want to go look for this swimsuit store. I also need to make lunch. Great way to save money when you're traveling, cook for yourself. For me, the easy thing is just to make pasta. I'll show you the view. I will say people ask about Athens, and I don't think your average place apartment in Athens, like most of the places, not very pretty. And surprisingly, there's a lot of graffiti everywhere, which I mean, like where I grew up, yeah, it was everywhere. I can totally relate. But I don't think that that's what people think of when they think of Greece. They think of the Greek islands, and that's very different from Athens. I love their greenery, but these are typical little apartments, or condos technically, I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of the norm in the city, but I'll show you how different the island is. It's 7:30, it's a little bit late for our typical adventures, but I had to if I'm gonna get out. So I'm gonna go look for a swimsuit right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day though, let's go. Hopefully it's not too hot.
I got to Dani shortly before closing, so I didn't have any time to film trying on the swimsuits, but you will see them later in my Naxos vlog. They were having such a great sale, I could not resist. I had to get all 3.
I bought a drink right now, because I'm thirsty, thinking maybe this is chocolate. But now it kind of seems like coffee, and I don't like coffee. Just in case that is terrible, I got some sour cherry drink. Never tried either of those. The other ones, could not read the label. Couldn't even tell, couldn't even guess by the pictures on the drinks what in the world they were. Oh my gosh. That was not at all what I expected. I don't even know how to describe this. Kind of chocolatey, but also kind of fruity. I don't know what this is at all. I don't know if I like this. I'm back and I tried to use Google Translate to figure out what this is, and there was no translation for it. It almost is like a Fig Newton. It's kind of fruity, and then it has a very subtle chocolate aftertaste. That's how I could also describe it. Very unique. I just don't know what to think of it. My brain is struggling to process. It's so cold in here right now. Okay, I'm gonna make some pasta. I was gonna stop by a little Greek cafe to get food, and it was so cute, and there were so many people. I was like, this would be fun, and I was like, I have pasta at home. Plus, I just spent $100 on swimsuits. If you haven't already noticed, I haven't already frightened you with my mask. I'm wearing a face mask. My favorite. Yeah. Okay. I think I definitely overcooked my pasta. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I do it because I'm a little bit lazy sometimes. You know what? Not lazy, efficient. I put sauce when it's just been left in the fridge, in the plate, bowl, whatever, and then I just put the hot pasta over it, and the sauce cools the pasta, and the pasta heats the sauce. I should really wash this face mask off. I also opened this that I was waiting for you. I don't know if this is juice. Oh, that is delightful. That is like a sour cherry, but not too sour. Good morning, friend. Today is my last full day in Athens, and it is also laundry day. So I'm about to wash some clothes, and then edit an episode and get ready for the day and hopefully make more travel plans, because I gotta figure out after I go to the island, where am I going? Am I going back to the US? Am I going somewhere else in Europe? I really want to go somewhere else in Europe, but I should probably check my budget. Can't just be spending all the money. And we don't have a washer, but we still have to wash clothes. So I packed a bunch of these little pods. Put this over everything. I keep losing it on the sink. We're gonna hand wash all of this. Yes, we are. And then we have a drying rack because all these, oh my gosh, I just realized this building probably has a washer. That's why it has a drying rack. It's probably just downstairs. It's too late. It's too late. Ew. I already see the dirtiness. Laundry is done. I feel like it looks so cute all hung up and colorful. Gosh, the struggle. Oh my gosh, I ruined it. Pad things, they're nice, but also not. Video is uploading for Mr. Supranational. I filmed a reel. I'm trying to get better at reels, and now I'm gonna go to La Plaka, or the Plaka, and this is basically the area in Athens where everybody goes for lunches and food, and there's a little bit of shopping there. I actually lost a pair of my hoop earrings, or at least misplaced them, so I'm gonna look for those, get a little bite to eat. What I'm wearing today, Amazon workout top, and though, these are the shorts I got in Madrid. We're touristing, so 1,000 fell sneakers, wide hoops, gold hoops. I really can't have enough hoops. And then I have this bracelet here, and look at these little rings. They're cute. These are my aunt's. I mainly wear her jewelry when I travel, or really anytime, because she has the best jewelry and I rarely shop for accessories, and when I do, I don't have patience for it, so why bother if I can just go shopping in her jewelry box. It's another hot one. I am walking to Plaka, the Plaka, La Plaka, not really sure which one is correct, but I'm walking over there, and I got to this corner, and I have to show you because it reminds me so much of a theme park. It doesn't even feel real. It feels like I'm here and they recreated the Parthenon. But they didn't. This is the real one, so I'm gonna show you.
This is the Plaka, where a lot of tourists hang out. It's also a really popular spot to pick up souvenirs, and you can even get Greek sandals made. Last time I was here, I noticed that they sold a lot of sponges. I saw that again, and I still don't know why. She's out. But if you want to pick up any souvenirs, this is the spot. And these are the cutest ever. It makes me want to have a daughter. Look at how beautiful everything is.
I realized the food prices here are twice that of the streets around it. If you really want to do a touristy thing, come down here and eat, pay twice the price for food, or walk a couple blocks down the street, pay half the price for the exact same food. I would say, honestly, just come here for a photo, for shopping, and aside from that, why spend more money than you have to for food? I'm not going to.
I walked a few blocks outside of the Plaka area, and I found this authentic Greek restaurant that came recommended from some locals. The ambiance was very cute, it wasn't crowded, and the prices were half that of the restaurants in the Plaka area. I was so happy with my decision to come here.
I'm gonna try some moussaka. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. I'm gonna try that because it is very traditional, and I heard it's fantastic here. Then I got this lemonade, and it's ginger lemonade. I'm such a fan. This is so good. It's a little spicy, but it's cold.
Well, doesn't that look lovely? I must say, the bread, incredible, so thick.
I don't really know what this is. Oh, hot. Okay. How have I never had this before? Oh, it's soft and tender and delicious. I could describe it like a Greek version of meatloaf. Well, that was so sweet. The waitress brought me out. Look at this. Oh, fruits. Did I bring my tahine? I don't even think I have my mini one with me. I stopped by a market on the way back. Got some of these new protein bars so I can put something in my stomach when I get up in the morning, and then I'll wait till I get to the island to eat. But for now, I'm just gonna pack up and go to sleep because I'm tired. Actually, I take that back. I have some emails to take care of first. Some of you know I'm obsessed with milk tea, bubble tea, boba, whatever you want to call it. And I found this. Found it at home. Found it on the counter. I don't know whose it was, but I can't read any of the directions. Nope, can't read a single one. So what I did was take this, I heated up some water. Okay, that's very hot. I poured the contents into the cup, and then I poured the hot water into it. And so far, it smells very good, but I would like a cold milk tea. I'm going to put this inside of the freezer. If this actually tastes good, I'm gonna have to figure out where in the world you get these and travel with them. This would be life-changing for me. I know there's no boba in it, but look, if I can at least get some milk tea. It's feeling pretty chilled. The glass feels cool. You know, not bad. So yeah, for sure, milk tea. Would I like a little bit more sugar? Yes. Do I need the sugar? No. It works. I would just get a packet of sugar from wherever I'm staying. Thank you for tuning in today. Until tomorrow. Good night. It's checkout day. We are headed to Naxos. Very excited about it. Never been to this island. I hope that I can find my boat. That's my fear. That's a big fear for me. Last time I took a ferry off of this place, I missed the boat. So, I have anxiety right now.